Hi guys, this week as we deal with data types, I would have my discussion based on the primitive collection and object data types in relation to business by starting with primitive. Primitive data type or value is a data that is not an object and has no method, and they are immutable. Thus, they cannot be altered. And so for an example of such a primitive data type in a business environment, I'll go with an amount for a business receipt or invoice paid or issued for raw material purchases. Such an amount or receipt cannot be altered. It is fixed unless the whole receipt or invoice is changed, and so that type of data is primitive. It's kind of constant. It cannot be altered. Another type is the date on the issued receipt or invoice. It's primitive. It cannot be changed or altered. With a collection is an ordered group of elements, all of the same type. It is a general concept that encompasses lists, arrays, and other familiar data types. Each element has a unique subscript that determines its position in the collection. And so for a business environment, an example is all employees in a department. So I guess I would go with the production department with a shift system that runs effectively. And so each employee has a schedule or a schedule time for work. So with this one, the superscript for each employee is determined, and so for such a department, I'll go with the production manager being employee 0, maybe the shift supervisor being employee 1, and then employee 2 would be another employee in a particular shift or programmed time for work. An object is a collection of properties, and a property is an association between a name or a key and a value. An object is a standalone entity with properties and type. And so for an example in relation to a business environment, I would go with a collection of properties would be employee, list of position and salary. The standalone entity is the position of the employee and has different properties such as category. It can be an executive position or a management position, and then the characteristics or the properties would be the amount being paid as a basic salary, or the allowances that is due, or the taxes that is related to that position. And so that would be my discussion on the data types for the week. Thank you guys.